BTS. I never ever thought that I'm gonna do a video on my channel about BTS. At first, I was like, who the hell are they? Why the comment sections are full of purple hearts? I don't even have any idea what it is meant by. Literally, I hate BTS army because on that time I was like, they are also human beings. Why should we waste our time for some celebrities? So I feel very proud of myself that I'm not falling for some celebrity. I told myself that you are doing your own life. You are earning for your life and you are not getting distracted by anybody. I thought living in reality, facing the problems, earning some money for your parents, these are all the real things, these are all the real emotions, real life. And I was very sure that I'm not gonna loved by anyone as much as my parents. So my parents are the one who sacrificed their whole life for me. So I have to work for my parents. I have to earn money for them. I want them to be happy. So everything seems very real until I became familiar with BTS. I was very adamant towards BTS that I'm not gonna watch their songs at all because they are overpriced by the cringe armies. This is what I thought. To be frank, intentionally I avoided the BTS songs when it comes to the recommendation in my playlist. After a while, I saw that my bestest friend was also got addicted to BTS. I was like, oh come on Haji, YouTube Brutus, she is my doppelganger character wise. We both are similar in everything. I mean everything. Nothing is there to discriminate us. But this BTS had been the one to differentiate me and Haji. Can't even tolerate that. So I doubted myself, maybe I am wrong because she is not that kind of person at all, melting 24/7 for some fake celebrities. So I finally decided to know more about BTS, at least for my friend. At first, I can't even recognize their face at all. I don't know who is who. 7 of them look like a Xerox to me. But after a while, I am getting some ideas why my friend is behaving like this. At one point, I feel very proud of her that she proved again that we are doppelganger for giving that much importance to BTS in her life. Because if I was there, honestly, I too behaved very crazily. That's where I realized that I am misunderstanding everything about BTS. Now I am wapassing everything I told about BTS coming to me. For the very first time, I am falling for someone who are not my blood, not my neighbors, not my family, not even the celebrity in my country. The same mind, the same heart, which regrets BTS, which avoided their songs in my playlist. Yes, that same heart, that same mind, now tempted me to do some video about BTS. Same heart which hates BTS is now treating them as their own brother, own father, own friend, own everything. The relationship I have with BTS, the army with BTS, is unexplainable. That kind of relationship is not even exist in this world. Here I am seeing my brother, my father, my crush, my friend. That's what exists. That kind of word only exists in this world to compare your relationship with them. But the relationship me and army and BTS having is beyond that, beyond this universe. Can't share the exact word in my mind to express the love I have for BTS. While I'm writing this, I am lacking for words. I am actually dying for words. Seriously, I don't know how to express that love. Only army could feel that what I am lacking for. That much love I have, we army have for BTS. Nothing has changed. Now I am living the same life, but with the realization that you should be grateful to yourself to have you in your life. At the same time, you never failed to show your gratitude to your parents. At first, I thought earning some money for them, working very hard for them is the only way to show your gratitude. But it's not. The real gratitude is making them laugh by your silly mistakes, your silly dances, your silly actings, your crazy things. That's what the real happiness is all about. I used to do these kind of stuffs in my childhood, but years back I restrict myself to not behave like a child, to not behave like me, because being childish or doing crazy things like child is considered as the cringe one. People started to accuse that being childish is a fake thing, behaving like child because they just want to seek attention from others. These kind of perceptions were roaming around on that time. So as usual, I started to behave in a matured way and stopped being in an imaginary world. Finally, I lost myself and some robot came inside me in the name of maturedness. That is where some things were started to happen. Some uninvited guests were started to visit me frequently. They are depression, anxiety, stress. I don't even know who are they, but they were roaming around in my house, my body, and finally occupied my heart, mind, everything. The comedy is I don't even realize it. I convinced myself that these are all the things you have to face because you are adult now, no more a child. I convinced myself that this is how the life looks like after you have crossed your teenage. All of these discussions are going on in my mind, and finally I find out that I am totally wrong. And for the first time I never felt broken for being wrong. I am like, that's okay, this is a normal human thing. I am asking to myself, in what the world you are not punishing yourself for being wrong? Then me replied to me, it's because of BTS. Because I used to be the girl who wanted to do everything perfectly. If I couldn't do that, I started to punish myself or felt guilty. These kind of punishments had been the normal thing in my life. But nowadays, I'm not that much strict to myself. I love everything what I'm doing now. Even eating, sleeping. Genuinely, I'm living my life happily to the core. I haven't take that much time to change myself. Within a week, I was totally changed, and it's all because of BTS. I know you can't understand what I'm saying now except army. You have to stand in my shoe, then only you can understand what I'm saying now, what I am feeling now. And my strong apology to dearest friends in army for misjudging you. You are not cringe, but you are very, 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 very deeper persons. Now only I'm understanding. Now only I'm realizing that what kind of love you have for BTS, what kind of emotions you have for BTS. I'm so glad that I'm here now. And thank you so much, Haji, for introducing BTS to me. We BTS are emotionally connected. We don't have any jealousy towards anybody. We don't have any discriminations among us. That's what we are. We are army, and I'm so proud to say that. BTS and army is not just a normal thing what other celebrities have with their fans. We are not fans. We are something more than a family. The exciting thing is RM, J-Hope, Jimin, Jin, Suga, V, Jungkook are also feeling in the same way. You know, I'm smiling like an idiot while I'm reading their names. Okay, coming to the point. They are also loving us truly, deeply, very, very deeply. That's what family do, right? This video is very, very, very close to my heart. I am very emotional that this video is gonna be in my channel. So this is how I have changed from BTS hater to BTS army. And I am dedicating this video to BTS from the behalf of BTS army. I don't even know that I'm eligible for this, but I just want to do something for BTS in my own channel because lots of diehard armies out there who have been with BTS from the day one. So this video is a small tribute to everyone who are all connected with BTS. From me, the baby army. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and purple you all.